Hi, baby. When you sit up. You're gonna fall over. I'm gonna fall over, buddy. Piggy doesn't want to lay down anymore. Wants to sit up like a big boy. Yeah. You checking out the fan? That's cool. Alright, come here. Let me see your finger. Let me see your finger. Ready? Pull yourself up. Yeah. He's happy now.